Hey guys! In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to watch YouTube in your car. I'll demonstrate an easy way to access YouTube in your vehicle. But let's be clear from the start. Safety always comes first. Never watch it while driving. Now, let's get into the solution. CarTube is an app that lets you enjoy YouTube and other platforms on your car's display. Setting it up is simple. Just connect your device either through Bluetooth or a wired connection using CarPlay, and YouTube will be available on your car screen. CarTube is both simple and convenient, so if you're interested in learning how to install CarTube and watch YouTube in your car, stay tuned as I guide you through the entire process. Before we proceed, there are a few settings to check. First, go to your device's settings, tap on battery, and ensure that low power mode is disabled, as it can interfere with the app's performance. Next, go to the General section. Select Background App Refresh, and make sure either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. Once these settings are adjusted, we can start the installation process. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted source for modded apps. Search for CarTube and click on it. A window will pop up with information such as download numbers and community ratings. Hit the Download Now button to begin the installation. The process is quick, and shortly after, you'll receive a confirmation that the app has been successfully installed. If you don't see the confirmation, you may need to complete a final simple step and download some additional files. But don't worry, there's a tutorial on the website that explains exactly how to do it. Once you follow that, the file will download immediately. I've already installed it myself, and it works perfectly. And that's it. That's the entire process for getting CarTube. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you found this guide helpful and everything works well for you, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you run into any problems or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.